Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cornbread out of cornmeal. Let's start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt for your dry mix. For the wet components, prepare 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, homemade cornbread. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's mix the batter. First, combine all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisking them well. In a separate bowl, gently whisk together the milk, vegetable oil, and the egg until they are fully blended. Then, slowly add the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to a tough cornbread, and we want it perfectly tender. With your batter mixed, it's time to prepare for baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Next, generously grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet or an 8x8-inch baking pan. For an extra crispy crust and rich flavor, you can melt about 2 tablespoons of butter directly in the hot skillet before pouring in your batter. This step ensures a beautiful golden brown finish. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your homemade cornbread. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing. Serve your warm cornbread with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.